Hello traders, how was the day today? Before we start today's video, I would like to request everyone to like, share and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon. Before we start today's video, I would like to request you to like, share and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon. Now let us get into what happened today. So in the morning when we were having the pre-market call, there were two lines that we were especially looking at. One was the 7.4 area and the other was the 5.0 area, right? So the idea was that if we can break through 7.4, get to the close of yesterday right at the open, we can get to that 5.511 line again. Or else if we get rejected at the 74 area, we may come down towards the 50, towards the Globex low, and then maybe we get down to 35 and then 25 as we had discussed yesterday. So let's take a look at what happened and how we traded it. We will look at it on the RTA chart. So right in the morning, bar 1 got rejected from the 7.4 line. And bar 2 came and closed somewhere around 6.2. Bar 3 tried to go up again. Bar 4 and 5 were inside bars and they were creating a kind of a triangle here. And I took my first short below bar number 5. And my target was first the 50 area. And if the 50 area holds, then we will come down to the 35 area. I did take some profit here, but then I shorted one more contract here and I got trapped and I came out above 50. And that was a loss that I had to take today morning. But as soon as we came above 50, since 50 was the very important line that we were looking at, that was the major 4-hour support. As soon as we came and closed here, I went long at 55 again, and then we crossed above the EMA. We had 2 bars closing above the EMA. We had the pullback to the EMA and then the bounce, and I held on to the trades. My first take profit was at the high of bar 1, and then I was holding on to it. Also, as we broke above bar 1, I bought another contract here, which I came out in the 5490 area, in this area of resistance, and then I held on to the third contract. I was hoping that this is the time we are going back to 5111, but we did not, and I came out of all my contracts at 4595 again. And then I was expecting that a TR will be formed. A TR was formed. We broke out of 5500. We tried to come down here again. I again went long at 5504.25. My first profit taking was at 11 and I held on to it, and finally I came out of everything at the 5520 level. The one thing that I was noticing was I was thinking that it won't go much farther because of the fact that we have moved 100 points from the bottom. And also, as we had said yesterday, that the midpoint of this whole drop that happened right from the 97 area was at 30.5. So that is also something that was telling me that we may not go up higher much, or at least we will get a pullback at this area. So I was thinking that there can be a pullback, and right here when we came to this bearish micro gap, we had a beautiful signal bar which trapped the bulls on the top and was an outside down bar. I shorted right below it. I was thinking that it will come and stop at the EMA. I took some profit here, but when it fell below the EMA with a strong bar, and then this was a bull flag that was getting created, and I held on to it, and finally my target was 5490. I came out at 5490. So we exited 5490 there. Now, if you see here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, 5 consecutive bull bars. That spelled some kind of momentum for me. And I went long again at 75.75. I was hoping that we will get to the 5500 area. I did take partial profit at my 20-point target from my entry. And then I came out of the second contract below this bar. Once we fell below 74 again, I shorted again, and then my target was somewhere in this area and I came out. So those were the trades that we took today. We shorted below bar 5, we went long above bar 10. We took some profit on the way, we added some more contracts on the way, and then we finally came out below bar number 22. We re-entered the market above bar number 32 again, and we got our 11 and 20 targets. So that was the end of the trade for us. Again, we shorted below bar number 45. We took partial profit at the EMA, and then we held on to our runner, and we were trying to see if we can get to that 8990 area. We got that, and we came out. And then again, the next long trade was above bar number 70, and then we shorted again below bar number 74. So those were the different trades that we took today. I knew that there will be a lot of ups and downs today, so 100 points up, 100 points down, so which is actually saying that we are going to be in a trading range, or we will have a bearish bias and the bears will keep on moving the market down. So if you see here, we have a wedge here, and the wedge has not broken, right? So this now becomes the 3.5 to 3.6, the 3.4 to 3.6 area now becomes a very important line for the bulls at this point of time. So we will come back to tomorrow's expectations when I will be posting the next video in some time. Till then, enjoy a great evening, and I will be back with you guys very soon. Bye.